not days. That's why weeds can't hide from Spectracide. In the next half hour, Weather Center, a comprehensive national forecast. At 40 after, Weather Center continues with highway and air travel conditions. Then the weekend outlook. And at 50 after, Storm Watch. But right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel. On Weather Center, wet weather plagues parts of the east and Florida, increasing the threat of flash flooding in some areas. We'll have that story, plus in-depth forecast and analysis on this edition of Weather Center.
Parts of the East Coast, including Washington, D.C. and New York City, you're going to see rain with some coolish temperatures for the end of your work week. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us here at the Weather Channel. This is Weather Center, and I'm Warren Madden.
And I'm Dave Schwartz. Showers are also moving to parts of the West Coast for the first time in a while, ending a sunny, warm spell there. But first, let's take a look at the East Coast. Now, umbrellas help today in Atlanta. Parking lots and just about everything else, for that matter, were soaking wet. You had between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain in the Atlanta metropolitan area, and there's more on the way here tonight. Umbrellas, yeah, we sure did need them. Out there shopping. What market was that? I don't think we could say that on the air. Kroger? No, I don't know what it was. Hey, there's some storms off the North Carolina coast. Some more now moving into Columbia. Look at this. That thing really bowed out, that line of thunderstorms in Beaufort, South Carolina. The wind gusted to 35 miles an hour this past hour with the passage of those. Though here in Charleston, we did not get the strong wind, but it is raining hard now. South of Atlanta, some severe weather. Upson and Spalding counties under severe thunderstorm warnings. For these cells that will miss the Atlanta metropolitan area as they move east-northeast at 25 miles per hour. There have been a few showers in DeKalb and Gwinnett County on the east side, and this storm was severe as it rumbled through Dahlonega, far northern suburbs of Atlanta. But these showers are going to make it into the Atlanta metropolitan area. None of these is producing any severe weather, but some heavy rain and a rumble or two of thunder with some lightning, then it'll be over and done with tomorrow. There will be some clouds for you in Atlanta and Birmingham here tomorrow in association with the upper low as that rolls on by. It'll be cold aloft. There'll be some buildups of clouds, a slight chance of a shower in the afternoon. Heading down into Florida, boy, what a day we have had here. Whew. I mean, you got your Georgia and South Carolina stuff, but here in Florida, the rainfall has been just really intense. Here in Vero Beach, 3 inches of rain today. In Tampa and over toward Lakeland and Orlando, anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. Miamians, oh boy, the sky's just about to fall in. Rain, rain, very tropical. Temperatures in the 70s, humidity way up there. Not the night to be out late at all in South Beach. Then as we head north, we find that some of that moisture has been driven all the way up into northern lower Michigan. We need the rain up here. We've got a high forest fire danger up here near Traverse City and Alpena. It's been a wet day here in Detroit, wet here in Chicago. Tomorrow will be another cloudy one with scattered rain. There's more rain that's circulating north toward Chicago from Kankakee right now. Heavy rain down here near the Ohio River, Evansville, topping our list here with 2.5 inches. Cincinnati with 2¼ inches. All in association with this very slow-moving, slow-plodding storm. Cut off from the main fast branch of the jet stream, which is way up here. But it's taken a dip southward. That cold front heading southward is going to boot this baby out. And where's it going? To places that have been just absolutely gorgeous today. New York City, beautiful. Some clouds, a few sprinkles earlier. Tomorrow, this white stuff. That's where the rain is. That heads right up into New York City. In Boston, oh, I'll tell you, it was such a beautiful day for man, woman, and beast. Yes, those are seals out here. On Calf Island in Boston Harbor, temperature was in the upper 70s for these guys. Beautiful sunshine. How do you like that? Seals in Boston Harbor. Do we normally see that? I'm talking to our Boston contingent here. We normally see seals in the Boston Harbor, Warren?
I guess it is not unheard of.
I guess it's not unheard of. A typical politician right there. Well, we still have clear skies in Boston, and it's not unheard of that rain would move in on some seals in Boston Harbor, too. That's going to happen tomorrow. That forecast is coming up next.
Well, we transition to the west coast now. Unlike the east, the west for the most part saw both sunny skies and some very warm temperatures today, especially into the northwest. Some areas, though, you're about to get a wee bit on the wetter side. Here's the situation right now. Our current map showing some scattered showers across northeastern California up into the Willamette Valley. Eugene, for example, reporting a shower. There's the cold front Dave was mentioning, but the cold front I'd like to point out is this one here. This storm off the coast of the California will be moving on shore during the day on your Friday. So you may have seen some pretty nice weather over the last couple of days, but the next couple of days are going to be unsettled. But ooh, was it a hot day here into the northwest. 15 degrees on average, above average. Records were falling. The Dalles, Walla Walla, Portland, both the airport and downtown, Vancouver, Washington, Pendleton, Yakima, Boise, all setting or tying record highs. And it is still a warm night as we press through the middle of the evening. 73 in Portland right now. Almost as warm in Portland as it is in Las Vegas. 78 degrees. If you're heading out late, check out the Fremont Street Experience, walking up the Strip or taking the bus up the Strip to the downtown area. A nice night in Las Vegas. Los Angeles, though, cooler, 57, and San Francisco in at 62 degrees. Here's that area of showers reaching across the Willamette Valley and then working their way offshore. But it is this area of showers just off of Cape Mendocino, the first indication of our next storm.